Okay guys, welcome to Izimoto.
I wake up, flex up, down that check. No drip this wet, tell them run it up. No sleep, no rest, might crash, might.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Cardiacs. Today we're at Izimoto. I'm Darren from Izimoto. Today we've got something very cool to show you. Not too many other cars that actually look as good as a Porsche GT3 RS on the road, but they are pretty much every car that sounds better than a Porsche GT3 RS. We figured we'd fix that with the help of our friends from Dundon Motorsports, and yeah, that's what we've been working on for the last like 2 months now. So this is the first one of two that we've completed.
Should we show them? Should we show them?
That's good.
Porsche GT3 RS, boom, in a beautiful, what do you call it? It's like a pastel grey.
Crayon grey.
Crayon, what? Crayon?
Yeah, crayon.
Looks so sick. So you got Crayon GT3 RS with the Dundon Motorsports exhaust tip.
You guys ready?
I don't know, are we? Should I block my ears? I'm actually a bit nervous. Oh, the valve's closed.
Yeah, they are.
Open them. Oh, it sounds better. Jeez, man.
As you can see, it doesn't sound like a Porsche anymore, and we had to come outside so we could actually explain that. But sure, we're gonna let it heat up for a little bit, so that we can just bust it up and down the street, so we can actually get a sense of like what the difference really is.
It sounds mean though. It sounds like a fucking race car, bro. Like,
As it should.
it
should.
I'm so excited to hear it when it's going up and down the road. So Ricky,
Let it
what's happening?
heat up. How's it done? Just gonna let the car heat up a little bit
Yeah.
and take it down the road.
Sick. I'm so excited. Can't wait. I've actually never been inside a GT3 RS, yeah? We'll get some donut action.
Yeah.
Gotcha. We'll just put some.
Yeah, we'll add to the M2 tracks.
I saw the video. It looks so sick.
But I mean, the main thing is the sound. Is Porsche sound a bit pop?
Yeah. The GT3s always sound phenomenal. Like, or standard, like they need a bit of a oomph, but everyone loves it for the sound. Standard, what did this push? About 500 horsepower, 480 cubic meters. Much key to the dyno, eh?
Yeah, I think like 10% gain, 15% gain. I mean, if you see the size of the mufflers that were taken out.
How is it?
Yeah,
It's probably a big weight saving as well.
yeah. It's in canal, so it's quite. I think it's quite light. So it had the titanium exhaust. So
Yeah.
in canal makes a big difference.
In canal, that's like the new thing, eh? Like the next titanium. It's like Formula 1 great shit.
And on Wednesday, I want to do Wing Wednesdays.
Wing Wednesdays.
Yeah, because I mean, look how many wings we got in shop.
Should we check it out quick?
Yeah,
Let's go check it out. This looks so sick, bro. Okay guys, welcome to Izimoto. Yeah, every time we come here, it's just the dopest cars. We've had 1 or 2 small videos here while we were with XPEL, and yeah, there's some sick shit here.
Wing 1,
Wing
2, Wing 3 on the Mercy, Wing 4 on the next GT3.
Discovery's getting a wing upgrade.
Nissan Patrol.
Oh, is that a patrol?
Yeah, it's silver. It was like
shit.
the adamantium type, and we just wrapped it matte black.
Sick.
Brand new out the box.
People are raving about these patrols, eh? They say they're phenomenal.
Listen, they do wonders in Dubai.
Let's have a quick walk around here. Lamborghini Diablo, what a sick car, damn. You don't see this very often. These guys are busy doing the roof lining. And it's a manual, gated, sick. There's our punch buggy. I've seen this car before on the channel very briefly. Lamborghini Hurricane from the SUC crew. They've just installed this carbon boot lid. Looks so sick. That's how you do gaps, bro. Izimoto, MF Auto. Guys are one of the best in the business at getting body panels fitting right. So here's the green GT3 RS. So we'll come back when this car's done as well, so I get some more content for you guys. But yeah, so this one I think we have a bit more freedom in terms of letting rip and getting some sideways action and getting some donut action. So Stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe so you catch that video. And then we've got a Gates and Mercy. Okay, the wings in for repairs, but how cool are these? You don't see these very often either. What would you guys take if you had the choice? Would you take the Murcielago or the Diablo? Personally, I think that's a really beautiful looking car, but I do love these Mercies. They are really sick. Something about the sound. This one's got a very cool body kit as well. How sick does Izimoto look in general? I think we should host a party here. Cardiacs party. What do you guys think? Dope as f. We've got our graffiti wall, our DJ booth, simulator racing, and just sick cars all around. So these are gorgeous cars. What do you guys think? I mean, so on the channel we've been in the Porsche GT2 RS. It's my first time in a Porsche GT3. So in terms of looks, I mean, they look kind of identical. Obviously the Porsche GT2 is considerably faster, but it's a good looking car. Very cool. If you guys had the choice, would you go GT2 or GT3? Leave a comment, let me know. Go for a ride in the Porsche. Sorry, but I mean, I have to do this, but for the fans. I mean, you know, for science. Someone has to do it. Someone has to do this for science, you know. Oh man, these cars are so sick. Just gotta spec this properly, bro. This yellow stitching looks so sick.
Yeah, I know, this car is beautiful.
Yeah, with Alcantara, yeah. Nice. If you ever spec this car, you have good taste.
That's valves open.
Yeah.
Let's try them closed.
Well, it sounds amazing.
This is art. Wow. Just listen to that.
It sounds good, Ed.
Oh my god. Like a little kid in this car. Yeah.
Brings out a bigger smile, man.
The owner's going to be so happy. Yes.
I'm happy for him. So Dundon Motorsports, eh?
Yeah.
Which is
got one done. Tomorrow we'll do the second one. We'll get that one done, then we'll be done. I love that you can see the exhaust tips out. Yeah.
Oh, that's so sick. Is that new now with the new tips?
Yes, yeah. They stick out a little bit more because they're not slash cut.
Yeah. Nice corners, yeah. Satisfaction in.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. How does it sound? Gee! Sounds like an F1 car.
It sounds insane. In your opinion, would you say it sounds better than the Hurricane that's in your showroom?
You know what? And Grant, I'm so sorry, but this does sound better than your car at the moment.
At the moment, or it's come?
I don't know, maybe if in a year or so, let's see if Grant will twin turbo his Huracan, but for now it sounds pretty wicked, but the sing.
It sounds good, eh?
Oh my god.
I can see what the hype is about with the GT3 RS. It sounds so insane.
Cool, thank you, thank you.
Let's do it again with the green one. Right. And it's so fucking sick. Jeez, dude.
So quick question. What is our degree again?
The syncrometer.
Yeah, syncrometer.
Bro, for I think sound, it knocks it to about 11 out of 10. The syncrometer goes all the way, it actually starts bouncing. It's a gear change. Oh, it's so sick. Nothing sounds better, dude. Like,
now nothing sounds better. You know what I'm saying?
1,000 chef kisses to Dundon. Wow.
If you own a GT2 RS and you want to straight, and you're thinking about straight piping, I'll do it like immediately. I wouldn't even think about it.
Don't straight pipe it. Come to us at Izimoto and we'll put the exhaust on that bitch and we'll make it sound 6 foot.
It's fine.
Oh, that's nice. That's cozy as well.
That's nice. Yeah, bounce. Yeah. You get more backwards.
That's for a visit at Izimoto. Shot, guys. Just another day in the office. We'll see you the next day and the next day and the next day. Got a lot of cars, yeah. I mean, if I set up a desk here, you don't mind, that's cool.
I forgot that it sounded like that.
Like a bit of a front, yeah. Well, sick. On that note, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe. Yeah, we'll see you next week.
I wake up, flex, thumb down, that check. No drip, this tell them run it off. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might, but first I stress.